Hi folks, welcome back to my Thailand adventure, and I can't believe it's coming to an end. I've had such a wonderful time. So I've left Jomtien in Pattaya. I'm heading back now to Bangkok. I'm going to be there for a couple of days. I'm going to be recording the footage that I thought I recorded on my first couple of days when I arrived, for anyone who watched the first video. Also, I'm going to tell you a lost passport story and show you how wonderful Bangkok is. And I'm only going to be showing you a very, very small part of Bangkok. So I'm heading now back to Sukhumvit, where I was before, or I was at the start, right in the heart of the city. And even after all this time that I've been here, I am super excited to get back to show you the place. So, onward and upward. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm now back in Bangkok. I think I said the other night that I had left my passport in an exchange kiosk. Well, when I went, this is just a quick story. When I went to Pattaya, I still didn't know I'd left it behind, and realised and searched, and then remembered the girl. I don't think she handed me back. I think she was probably going to hand me back after I got the money, but I was just away. So I thought, well, there's nothing to do about it now. It was the evening, and I went to a wee pub, an Irish pub that I know in Pattaya, and I bumped in, well, I didn't bump into him, he's the manager. He's an English fella who runs the bar, and met up several times, and then I started to tell him about the passport, and he says, where did it happen? And I says, beside Nana BTS train. He says, I have a friend, lives right there. He says, I'll phone her now and see if she could go round. I wasn't even 100% sure it was him with the girl. Just thought, I'm assuming that's where I'd left it, as opposed to losing it. So he goes, he comes back again 10 minutes later with his camera on live at the kiosk with my passport in a girl's hand. How lucky was that? I'm always lucky. So then he said, she's going to take it and hold it for you. She has a condo in Nana where you can go back. And I says, well, just hold it the next week. But then after a few days, I was worried, a wee bit worried, you don't know, you know. So I came up there in a taxi and just got my passport. And she got a big hug and she got a good tip. Now, what I've also done from the last few days, I've booked in, I got a really good deal on a fantastic, looks like a fantastic hotel, so I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be the best hotel yet. Not budget travelling at the minute too much, but I did get this at a really good price. I forget how much it was, but we'll put it up on the screen. Now, doesn't that look nice? I'm having a lunch, I never usually have a lunch. Alright, so onward and upward, speak to you later. Time to walk from a hotel, it's only 7 minutes, but it's so warm, oh my god. Look at this. I mean, old Bangkok and new Bangkok are so entwined, and yet it works wonderfully. It's amazing. You know, you've people selling scorpions at the side of the road and all sorts of actually very, very, very good street food, and you stick your camera up in the air and you're looking at the most modern buildings. What a wonderful place. The Destiny Grand. I hope it's grand. New hotel room is very nice. So I checked the price and it was £52. £52 for the night. Which is the most I've ever paid in Thailand, but we are right in the centre of everything in Sukhumvit. here. Pretty busy in Bangkok. Above me here, this is the BTS train system. It goes all around the place. It's amazing. It's very quick. Haven't been on it in this trip, but fantastic. You know, if you want to go anywhere, much better using the BTS than a taxi. That is Terminal 21. There's one in Pattaya as well, and they're sort of the best known shopping malls. And you know I don't like shopping, but I wouldn't show you. But before that, need a beer. I'm boiling. Right. Right, shopping mall time, Terminal 1.
Gabriel, hot.
I don't know where to start. So much, so big, it's massive. And the Terminal 21 in Pattaya is so big, it has the tallest escalator in the world. Never been in it. It just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. My God, look at how many floors there are. Look at how many people are here. That's a pretty big escalator. I'm too geeky. I shouldn't be talking about escalators in the video. So vibrant and live. Beautiful smells, beautiful people, happy people. Lots of happy people. The big fella. I'm hungry, as usual. I'm up a lot. Floors. And I'm assuming there's going to be a food court. Well, there will be a food court if I ever find it. I met his girlfriend in Slovakia. There's the Golden Gate Bridge, look. You don't see many of those around. Oh my God. Oh, food hall, food. It's not so cheap. That is about £3.20. The food floor is massive too.
Registration number 36067 for Bangkok. Please go back to your...
Don't suppose it'd be a Kentucky Fried Chicken. Very few in Thailand. There are some, but I haven't had any in a couple of weeks. It would be time anyway. tram, full-size fake tram. We're actually coming to the second floor of food. It's funny, Thai people always eat, and they don't have like a dinner. They eat several times a day, and they're all skinny. Well, they're not all skinny, the vast majority are skinny. And it's because they're eating healthy food, of course. Prices are incredible. I was told that these miles, the food's cheap, but I mean that's amazing. There's what I had today, black pepper pork steak for 59 baht. That's less than £2. You could really live in Thailand cheap if you wanted to. No wonder there's so many people in here. You'll never believe what I just spotted. I'm a jammy sod. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Hello Colonel, it's been a while. Kentucky Fried Chicken, bucket for one, 69 baht. 69 baht is about £1.50. And there's a big bucket with loads of stuff in it. $4.40. These chicken pieces even look amazing here. Everything's good in Thailand. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Now for the decline. If I can ever find my way out of here. I've come up with a great idea for this shop. It's all up and up and up and up and up. They should have chutes at the top, so whenever people finish their shopping, they can just shoot straight down. Dragon's Den? No. The Sheraton Grand, and it looks grand. For a big city, there's so many things that are amazingly cheap. I'm just walking up the Sheraton Grand and all these amazing hotels. I would say they were all 5-star. In the heart of the shopping area and the entertainment area of Bangkok. Yet when I arrived, the hotel I stayed in the first week was 200 metres down the road off this, and it was 30 quid. It wasn't a great hotel, but you know, the fact that you can come here. Can you imagine in London, being in the centre of London, getting a hotel for 30 quid? Fantastic. It's definitely a leave your car at home city. Hi folks, I can't believe it. I'm near the end. I'm in Bangkok for my last night, going home time tomorrow, and I have had the most wonderful holiday of my life. I can't believe it. I thought after 2 or 3 years of not coming here because of COVID, I thought I mightn't have enjoyed it as much. I was a bit worried about it, and it was just fantastic. And I think what made it fantastic is it did more this time for my videos. I went everywhere. I went and seen the sights, and I've done different things that I've never done before, and it was fantastic. Now, just before I end, I'm going to show you about, I think it's going to be about a minute's worth of drone footage of Bangkok, because I've taken tons and tons and tons of video that I ended up not using. So I videoed tons of stuff, but it didn't make as many videos as I planned. I had a great time. So sit back for 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes, have a look, see Bangkok in its grandeur, see Bangkok for the reason that I think it's the best city in the world. Certainly the biggest city I've ever been in, the most vibrant city I've ever been in, the friendliest city I've ever been in, and anyone who hasn't been to Bangkok in their life, do it. Just suddenly got windy in my balcony. I hope that came out okay. So I'll talk to you one last time in a minute. Enjoy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that wee evening duke at Bangkok. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a video again. I might make one just before I come home. I'm coming home, I'm heading back to Northern Ireland, and I'm going to be talking to you. I've made a lot of decisions to do with Spain and where I'm going to live permanently in the very, very near future. But more of that if I do the next video or when I get home. So I'll leave it off there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please, please, please take it 1 split second and give it a wee thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, 80% of my watchers haven't subscribed yet. Just hit the subscribe button. It doesn't mean anything to you. You'll not get tortured with my videos or anything. Alright, so I'm going to leave it off there for now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye for now.